Hello, good morning. What's up, everybody? How you doing? Yes, I'm trying to be quiet right now because I can get loud and there's mad people around here, even at this early time in the sweet island of Jamaica, Jamaica. Yeah, anyways, guys, I know I'm really I'm sad today because I'm going back. But I'm going to be back here in JA. God willing, God's going to bring me back, y'all. Anyways, I want to encourage somebody today because so many people don't realize in this healing journey, it's full of ups and downs. But when it's on the up and up, it is super amazing. And that's why I love being on the journey with everybody. I love it. And this trip is so huge for me because straight up, I feel like a part of myself has gone missing and I'm being reconnected with the true OG Alicia Breeze. You know what I'm saying? So sometimes you gotta take some time to get totally reconnected. So I don't know where you're at in life right now, but you don't have to always take an expensive vacation somewhere. But sometimes you can just step into the presence of God and start to have gratitude and thankfulness and just ask the Lord to help you to see all the many blessings, all the emergencies you've escaped, all the times that He stretched forth His hand over your life to prepare a way for you to escape, or prepare a way for you to receive healing, provision, deliverance, and all that good stuff. So listen, He's a God of great expectations. You should have a great expectation for God to move in your life wherever you are in your journey. You might be in the worst place right now, spiritually, mentally, spiritually, and whatever it is. But let me tell you, God will not leave you in that place. He can bless you in your land of affliction. Okay? So, you know what? I'm going back totally elevated in my perspective, elevated in the call, I believe. And yeah, it is what it is. So, God bless you guys. Have an amazing day. I'm so not used to being quiet because I'm super loud. But I just came online to say I had a great time and thank you for all of you DMs, all of your questions too. Some of you, I didn't get to talk to you or message you back because guess what? I'm taking a little bit of time. I haven't been posting as much and I haven't been making new videos, but I'm going to this week as I head back. And it's not about stopping. Like anytime you don't see me online, it's not that anything is stopped. This is a continual journey. It's just sometimes you need to stop and be replenished. I give out a lot, so I got to take time. I'm going to start doing that more, okay? So God bless you guys. I'm so happy that I had this chance. And for some people, it's like nothing. It's not a big deal. But when you come out of bad situations, it's so important to let God know that you're not taking anything for granted. I don't take anything for granted. Life is about a buildup of the little things. We're always thinking for these big, monumentous things to happen. Let me tell you, life is a series of little things, little gestures, okay? Little choices that turn into like fulfillment of like big goals, okay? And so if you're thinking that, transformation can only take place with like huge, grandiose goals, no, it all starts with little goals and being consistent. I'm telling you right now, I am learning that there is more blessings revealed in the process than the destination. Okay? So I know I'm quiet this morning and I'm so want to be loud, but I realize there's like a lot of people around who are trying to relax. It's pretty early on a Sunday morning. See, I thought it was Saturday. See, I messed up. But anyway, I didn't really have anything to say other than I give God praise. I give God thanks. I'm not in the house of the Lord today, but the presence of God is with us all. Okay? Yes, He is. He's with us. There's nowhere you can go where you won't find God. For those that are feeling struggling in your spiritual walk, there's nowhere you can go that you won't find God. God is everywhere. For those of you who feel distant, feel like, you're falling away, feeling like weakened, feeling discouraged, defeated, yeah, God's there too. Okay? So don't give, oh, God bless you, Theo. Good to see you. And, I know I've been talking a lot about, as you know, narcissistic abuse, and it's no matter what anybody says, some people are like, okay, enough, but it can't be, because I keep on getting DMs from brothers, from sisters, from so many, and I realize that there's so much that is trickling into our society. This is more than just, a one-on-one dynamic. This is a sociological problem. This is a sin problem. And no, am I perfect? No, I'm not. But I believe by faith the things that the Lord has called me to do. And so I'm walking in them and I see the fruit. So I'm going to keep going. All right? Anyways, God bless you guys. I don't even know if I'm going to repost this because I don't like people knowing exactly where I am all the time. So, you know how it is, okay? So, where's the music, Slam Free? Oh my gosh, the music is coming. The music is coming. Isn't this pretty, guys? Look at that. I don't want to leave. I don't want to leave at all. Okay, God bless you. I'm out. I know I gotta go. I gotta eat breakfast. I gotta catch a plane. Bye.